Okay, so let's start the live stream today. So, okay, let me just get dressed quickly. Yeah, so many traffic these days in Dubai. So many traffic. Yeah, somehow I managed to come back. I actually installed the new dashcam, the camera for the car. I installed it today and just picked the car up. Just came back because I mentioned this a couple of days ago that I got the scratches. I think I talked about this one on my second channel. I got the scratches on my car like multiple times for the last one year. So today I brought my a new camera system, the good camera system, dashcam, and ask the dealer to install the camera. So now it's all good. Yeah, so this prevents me from these unwanted scratches. And when I get the scratches, when I got some other incidents, then I can check the cameras and it identify who exactly did it. So yeah, and this dashcam has 3 cameras, front and back and inside. So, and it monitors all day. I mean, when my car is parked, it's connected to the battery. So when someone passes by, the camera automatically records. So I'm safe when I'm away from my car also. So yeah, that's a little news. So just came back from to home, and this is going to be my 3rd time screening charts. So now let's start. Alright, so let me say hi to everyone quickly. Okay, thank you so much for joining today. Alex, Oscar, Emeka, thank you for joining. Alright, good to see you. Okay, apart from pound JPY, this week no trades, okay. Yeah, so for me, I have no trades yet so far. So simply staying away. Right now I see that GBP JPY and CADJPY pairs are trending down in the lower time frames. So I'm thinking to check these pairs before FOMC and see what's happening. Alright, TikTok, SJ, Nicholas, thank you for joining. Michael, good to see you too. Ashley, thank you so much for joining. Sami, Winhiat, Suresh, good to see you. Asif, thank you so much. Alright, Dai and Bukod, good to see you too. Oh, Michael, yes. He says here nobody cares once opening the car doors, who's beside? I'm tired monitoring it. Oh, wow, okay. So yeah, it's scary. It's scary when someone actually goes into your car. Someone unknown goes into your car. It's so scary. Yeah, actually, when I was in the US, I had like 3 times someone broke the window of my car and stole my audio system. It happened like 3 times within 10 years of staying in Los Angeles. But back then I didn't have a camera, so this is basically my first time installing it. Alright, Tan, careful. Gantu, John, Nicholas, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Had a loss on Euro NZD this morning, alright. Yeah, so since this is before the FOMC, we can still stay away and come back tomorrow. But in the meantime, let's check some charts. So here is trading view. So first, let me talk about the JPY and CADJPY and move on to some other markets and pairs. Okay. Alright, Adam, Wong, thank you for joining. Alright, Abdi, Hawal, good to see you. Alright, AUD Swiss franc looks about to become a Senko Koten. Alright, let's check that one, AUD Swiss franc on the daily. So let me first talk about the pound JPY. So pound JPY is bearish for the last 3 days after this long week on 31st of October. Now it's going down. So when it retraces the target, we have 2 targets in terms of Ichimoku. And one of the targets is the Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is the blue one on my chart color setting. So Tenkan-sen flat, so the market is going down to Tenkan-sen. And once it breaks, it goes down to the Kijun-sen. And market is near the support in 1 hour. So let me switch down to 1 hour time frame. You can see that it has been bearish in waves consecutive and still going down very nicely. But the price is near the support. So this may not really a good time to sell yet. We have to wait for the break of the support level, which is 168.72, and take sell and target down to the daily Kijun-sen. So that's a pound JPY. But I like this Kumo shape. Kumo is not really thin. After it twisted here, it has been down Kumo. Senko span A is pointed down. Kijun-sen is flat, but Tenkan-sen is down. So this is basically bearish, and Kijun-sen is flat. So it may retrace, but overall is downtrend. And Chikou span below candles too. So this is also a potential downtrend. I think it breaks a support and continues to be bearish. So let me also check the strength chart. When I see the trending market, I check the strength chart and see which currency is causing this trend, whether weak GBP or strong JPY. So let me put up the strength chart. So it looks like this. So JPY and GBP. Okay, so looks like today pound is weak, JPY is strong, and that's why. So this downtrend is caused by these 2 currencies. Okay, so yeah, I think this downtrend is continuous in this case. Right, okay, so that's one. If the market breaks the support in this live stream, then let's talk about the entry timing. But in the meantime, let me also check the CADJPY first on the daily time frame. So CADJPY is down also today and yesterday, and it's going down to Kijun-sen. So target is on the Kijun-sen in the short term, which is 107.46. Yep. So we have a pips to trade about 30. Yeah, 30, maybe less than 30, maybe 28, 27 pips or so potentially. So that will be scalping most likely. But let me go down to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is showing beautiful downtrend too. As we can see, the Kumo is down, Kijun-sen down on this one, and Tenkan-sen is going down, and Chikou span below candles. So this one is also downtrending. If you compare JPY and CADJPY, 2 markets, and see which one is better to trade, I think CADJPY looks good, because so on the left is the CADJPY in 1 hour, and on the right is the JPY in 1 hour. So both 1 hour time frame both are bearish, but yeah, CADJPY looks to be more downtrending because it broke the previous candle's support. But GBP/JPY is not breaking the support, so I would say, yeah, CADJPY looks stronger downtrend. Let me again check the strength chart. So CAD is okay. CAD is currently down, very strongly down, the CAD, and JPY is very strongly up. So I think CADJPY is a good one to trade at this moment and target to the daily Kijun Sen 107.468. Okay, so let me look into also the trading timing on the CADJPY. So now let me switch time frame on the left. Oh, sorry, yeah, sorry. I keep 1 hour on the left. On the right, I switch down to the 5-minute and look for an entry chance. Okay, so I think this is, right now, I think is a good timing to enter because I see a downtrend. It broke the support. It broke the support here. After the breakout of the support, the market tested here. The market tested here and it's going down. This test was a previous support. So this is one of the ways to confirm downtrend continuous. And also I can see the stochastic is going dead crossing, it's going down, and I can see that the there is an this inside or this long wick support breakout. So I can see bearishness in the 5-minute also, along with 1 hour. So I think this is a good timing to sell. And if I sell right now, then my stop loss, before we talk about the target, we always have to check the stop loss first. So if I sell right now, then stop loss is going to be up here 37 pips, and expect the market goes down continuously. So that's, I think, a good pair to trade, CADJPY. But again, in case you trade, please read the disclaimer, and please do so at your own risks. Yeah, but I think CADJPY is good. I will turn this to green so that yeah, we can take trades maybe. Okay, so looks like in 1 hour there is a support level. 1 hour support was here on 107.63. But I think this downtrend is continuous until the daily Kijun Sen. So that's one of the good pairs to trade at this moment. And make sure there's no big news soon also. Let me check the news website. When there's a big news very soon, then I don't take trades. So there was an ADP employment change report, and after that there is no big news. The next one is going to be FOMC, but it takes another like 4 hours or so. So yeah, I think most likely within the next 4 hours we can see the break even on this one. So I think this is a good timing to sell. There was also a double top or maybe like the head and shoulders and necklines breakout also happening. So I think this downtrend is continuous. Yeah, so the target, I think in this case the risk and the reward ratio is not that great, because target is 107.468, and stop loss is here, so maybe it's 1 to 2, maybe less than 1 to 2 risk and reward, but it's worth a try. Yeah, so looks like in 5 minutes it's a bit retracing now, so I just wait until the market start to be down again in the 5, just make sure and take sell. But yeah, I think this is one of the markets that I will take trades. Yeah, so let's see. I don't think I have traded live for the last couple of months, so let me go ahead and do it right now. So CADJPY, let me take a trade on myself, and this is going to be on my report also. So CADJPY. So usually when I take trades, I do it on mobile. It's handy, and it takes a bit longer to launch MT5 in the PC and execute, so I prefer to do it on mobile. CADJPY. Okay, trade, sell. I think I go with lower risk though, lower risk per trade, maybe 1% to stop loss, maybe less than 1%, because this is near the support. So probably I will just go with a smaller percentage, less than 1%, to stop loss and take trade. Okay, so I took the trade on 107.80, which is exactly here. Let me just put this one. Okay, where is that? 107.80 is my position, and my stop loss is up here. This is almost 40 pips above. 40 pips above, and this is exactly the candlestick I just took the trade to sell. So the next scenario is, if the market reverse, then I would exit. I monitor the chart until the market breaks this level, until the market breaks 107.96, because this is the previous support. This is also a reversal, right? Previous support became resistance here. So if the market breaks that level, I may exit. So with that in mind, I monitor the chart, and my target is again on the daily Kijun Sen, 107.467. So again, if you took a trade, then please make sure that your trade is on your own terms, as a disclaimer. But hopefully the market goes towards our direction. Yeah, so again, when I take trades, I make sure that there is no big news ahead, and make sure higher time frame is trending. In this case, higher time frame is 1 hour, should be trending, and then take trades. Let me check the JPY. Okay, JPY is about to break. It's breaking the support also, so this one is also nice. But since I took the trade on the CADJPY, I continue to monitor this one for now. And when I monitor the chart, I never look at other pairs. I only focus on this one without looking at other pairs, because if I see other pairs, then, and if I find some other pairs to be trending, then I might have FOMO feeling. I might have the fear of missing out on the other pairs, and it may not really good on your psychology. So usually when I open trade, then I simply wait until I set the break even, and then start to check other charts. Okay, so since I took this trade, let's monitor this trade on the left side. So again, I will do exactly the same. I put the vertical line on the CADJPY. I took the trade here at 2:15 p.m. UTC. My trade was on 107.80, and my stop loss is up here, 108.19. So this is going to be a close to 1-to-1 risk and reward ratio. So this will be an intraday trade or scalping trade. Okay, so this was my trade. Yeah, about 40 pips of stop loss in this case. And let me delete these drawings on the right side. Okay, and target to the daily Kijun-sen, 107.46. Okay, that is the target. I think this is, looks like this is less than 1-to-1, but it's okay, because most likely I don't keep holding the market until the price hit the stop loss. Okay, so that is my trade. So let me change title today to live JPY trade. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, let's see if it goes down continuously. I think it will, but of course nothing's 100%, so we can't really expect which way it goes. So we just have to monitor and see how it goes. Alright, thank you for joining everyone, good to see you. Okay. Alright, okay, in the meantime, let's check some other charts. On the right side, let's check some of the charts and see what's happening now. So yeah, let's see. AUD Swiss franc is becoming Sank Koten on the daily, so let me check that one. Oh yeah, it's about to, there is a Tenkan Kijun Gold Cross, right? But Chikou span touching, so this is not the reverse. When you see Tenkan Kijun Gold Cross below Kumo, this means that this is the end of downtrend. But it doesn't mean that the market goes up. It may range, or it may continue to be downtrending again, is what it means by Tenkan Kijun Gold Cross below Kumo after bearish trend. So what you have to wait for in this case is we have to wait for the Chikou span break. And finally you can expect the probability for the Kumo breakout becomes higher only after you see the Chikou span break. But when you look at the Chikou span, this is with the candles, so this is not yet bullish yet. Yeah, so for this we have to stay away. Let's check some of the charts. Swiss franc is in the Kumo now. Okay, it's back into Kumo, so no more trends. We have to stay away. Swiss franc JPY is ranging too continuously, so no trade. Alright, so let's check gold. Commodity XAU USD. Alright, okay, so looks like gold is now ranging still. Yeah, Kumo's flat, Kijun-sen flat, Chikou span touching, so no trend. So no trend and no trace. I think lower time frames are also flat 4 hour shows Kumo flat, Kijun Sen is down, Tenkan Sen up, which means the flat, basically flat Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen. Especially they are also within the Kumo now, so this is range. We can't trust down Kijun Sen or up Tenkan Sen. And Chikou span too close, so we have to stay away in this case. Let me check other pairs, other market, WTI. WTI daily shows it's in the Kumo. Okay, so it's still too spiky, no direction, so we have to stay away. Kumo flat Kijun Sen is slightly up, but it's in the Kumo anyways. The price in the Kumo anyways, and the market is too choppy, so we have to stay away on this one. No trend in this case. And yeah, let me check also the Bitcoin, BTC USD. BTC USD is now ranging, right? Daily shows it's ranging, so no direction. I think if you look at the price actions, the candles, you can tell that they are too spiky, too much wicks and doji yesterday, so no direction. But if the market breaks Kumo, then it may be bullish. So let me just put up arrow above that Kumo on the daily and wait for the Kumo breakout simply. So that's what I will be waiting for, the Kumo breakout on the Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, oh Sami, you also took the trade on CADJPY together. Okay. Looks like it's breaking the 5-minute support, but this is only for the short term, so we just have to monitor continuously. Okay, let's see. Yeah, any other markets now? Let's quickly check the indices, especially US indices before FOMC. So Dow Jones is retracing now because Kumo was too small. It just twisted, so it's just retracing back now. Yeah, all the US indices, basically all the indices, almost all the indices are going down, going bearish, retracing. Yeah, Euro Stoxx also be retracing. Euro Stoxx is still resisted by the trend line, so it may go down still. Yeah, it may go down. Let's see. Okay, Michael, okay. You took the trade also on CADJPY, alright? Yeah, so again, if you're newly joining here, I just took the CADJPY trade at 2:15 p.m. UTC on 107.80. And waiting for the market to go down and possibly hit the target of the daily Kijun Sen is a strategy. Yeah, let's see. Right, this is going to be an intraday strategy, right? So I keep following as long as it goes down, but when 1 hour goes flat, I may exit. I don't always, but I may exit when 1 hour goes flat. Okay, Lim says, sir, will you wait for the FOMC or come back tomorrow? Yes, until the FOMC, we still have about 4 hours, so we can still look for opportunities. But when FOMC gets closer, then you better come back tomorrow. If you're in Asian country, then you can just stay away and come back tomorrow. I think it's okay too. Okay, Vincent says, would you say there is a P wave on gold? Let me double check. In what time frame is it? Daily? Yeah, daily time frame shows this is now in the P wave, yes. Yeah, we can call it as a P wave because of the higher lows and lower highs. So it's in a P wave. I think lower time frame is also P wave. Let me check the 1 hour now. 1 hour shows it's it's uptrend, N wave, bullish. So 1 hour is not 1 hour is bullish in wave, but daily is in the P wave. So that means it may break bullish, and the market may reach up to the daily Kijun-sen. That is possible too. Chikou span is also the very key in this case, since Chikou span keeps overlapping the candles. As long as Chikou span keeps tracing, the market breaks a P wave bullish, and it may go up this way. So yeah, so that's the gold daily time frame. Rodimus says, hello Mr. K, is there any confirmation on the daily or the 4 hour for CADJPY? No confirmations in higher time frames, because this is only by following the 1 hour time frame. So CADJPY again, daily is retracing back to Kijun-sen, and that's why target is on the daily Kijun-sen. And 1 hour is down. So in this trade, I'm following 1 hour downtrend. So that means if 1 hour start to retrace, I look for an exit timing. And most likely 1 hour retraces within the day, and that's why I say that this might be an intraday. Most likely this will be an intraday trade. But if it keeps going down for the next couple hours, then I keep following, I keep trading the profits, and then it may become a day trade or the swing trade if it goes down continuously. After FOMC, if it goes down continuously, then I keep holding. But most likely it retraces back is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so EQIY says USD-JPY. Let me check. USD-JPY, I thought it's ranging right now. USD-JPY broke the Kijun-sen, and this is a bit bearish now. 4 hour shows it's ranging flat Kijun-sen. Chikou span touching, so no trend. But looks like it's about to break the 1 hour support. Let me check 1 hour now. Yeah, 1 hour support is about to be broken, which is on 146.84. So if he breaks bearish, I think that will be a good time to sell. Otherwise, the market still may retrace back to the 1 hour Kijun-sen. So we have to wait for the breakout, is my opinion on this one. On 46.84, we have one support. And this support was after the break of the previous support. Here, after the breakout of the previous support, it actually went down and then retraced, and the market was resisted by this long wick on the pin bar by this Tenkan-sen. So yeah, technically it's bearish. It's bearish, so I think most likely the market breaks the support in this condition. But just to be safer, you want to wait for the break of the support and take sell. Because until the market breaks the support, it may spike, it may retrace. So this is still 50-50 chance. And you don't want to take 50-50 chance. You always want to take 60-40 chance or 70-30 chance in the markets. Otherwise, that will be gambling. And you may win, you may lose. So we have to take trades where the chance becomes 60-40 or 70-30 always. So you may lose still, but you can make profits in the long run. That should be the concept. Okay, so let's see. All right. Yeah, so Jalash, yes, 4-hour CADJPY flat, but I'm following 1 hour now, and that's why. So the market is not really strong. Still it's slow, but gradually it's going down towards my direction. So I keep holding. So again, I took the sell on 107.80 on this live stream. So if you missed my entry logic, you can check the archive. And you can see me how I decided to take this pair and take trade. Okay. John says also Euro JPY also looks good in 1 hour. Okay, let me check Euro JPY. Yeah, Euro JPY is also going down. So that means JPY is strong right now. Let me again check the strength chart. Looks like JPY is very strong. Yeah, you see the light blue JPY, sorry. The light blue JPY is very strong, and that's why all the JPY pairs going down. And the strongest currency pair that is going down is CADJPY, because CAD is purple and CAD location is the on the lowest. So that means JPY, CADJPY is the strongest momentum. And then USDJPY and Pound JPY are the second strongest, and Euro JPY follows. So I think, yeah, Euro JPY, you can still take trade. Let me quickly check that one, because Euro is still below 0. So I think you can still take the Euro JPY if you can find the trading edge on that one. Let me see, Euro JPY, so it's going down in 1 hour, broke the support. Yeah, it's continuously being bearish. It broke the previous support also. So it looks like this downtrend is continuous. The Kumo is down and not too thin, so this is safe to take sell. If Kumo is too thin, then that means it's overshooted, oversold. So the market may reverse, so you might want to not take trades. But since in this case Kumo is thick and long, I think this is good. Thick Kumo is the key to take trade. And let me quickly check the 5-minute situation. Okay, 5-minute shows very similar to CADJPY. It broke the two supports and it's going down now. Yeah, Euro JPY also looks good. There was also double top neckline breakout and retest of the neckline. So this looks to be downtrending. Yeah, so Euro JPY, I think it's also good to trade. But since I'm on the CADJPY already, I don't take other pairs until I set the break-even line. Okay, let's see. Henry says, hi Kei, do you set TP in this CADJPY trade? No, I don't. I never set TP on my strategy because we never know how far the market goes. In this case, yes, I say the target is on the daily Kijun-sen, but the market may break the daily Kijun-sen and keeps going down. So in that case, there's no reason to exit and take profit. But if the market reverses before it touches the daily Kijun-sen and retrace, then I will exit with some profit. So in this reason, I don't set TP. I simply follow the market direction. As long as it goes, I keep trading, and when it reverses, I exit. But it doesn't mean I keep watching charts. I check charts after set the break even. I check charts every 3 to 4 hours and see if it goes towards my direction or not still. Okay, so looks like a couple of traders here took the CADJPY trade. Okay, TSM says took the trade on the JPY. Okay, so looks like all the JPY pairs going down. So this is interesting markets to see. Andrew says, so when do you ignore the daily 4 hour and use 1 hour? So it's either when I don't see any trends in higher time frames, daily or 4, or when I see a good and stable downtrend in 1 hour, I simply take that. Let's say daily 4 is down and 1 hour down, but Kumo's too thin. But let's say on other pair, only 1 hour down, but Kumo thick. In that case, I take the one that has thick Kumo in 1 hour. So yeah, so that's how I select the pair to trade. Also select time frame to trade. So still it's going down few pips, so we just have to monitor for now. Looks like market is not really aggressive so far, so it may take longer to set the break even, but we'll see. Okay, one says, one question, let's say we are using the Forex Tester 5. I have the problem that the Kumo is always hidden. That means I can just see a little part of the Kumo. How do you fix this problem? In Forex Tester 5, the Kumo should be visible, I think. Kumo is always hidden. In the back of the candles, you mean? I think you have to change the thickness of the Kumo lines, Senko span AB thickness on the lines. You better make it the thinnest on Kumo Senko span AB lines, and should be fine. That's my setting of the Ichimoku Cloud Kumo in Forex Tester 5. Okay, Alice says, when will you share October performance video? I will share it this Saturday. This coming Saturday, I will do it. Because last Saturday, I still had one day on Monday in October. So I might be taking trade. That's why I didn't do that last Saturday. But this coming Saturday, I will do the performance review in the month of October. I took very few trades on October. I was very selective in October. So yeah, please look forward to it. Okay. Okay, Euro AUD is down. Euro AUD is down. Let me check. Euro AUD is a bit bearish in price action. Let me see. 4 hour is still ranging now. It's a bit spiky. Lots of wicks up and down. Very spiky market in the 4 hour. And 1 hour is still flat. Yeah, looks like Chikou span is touching also. So this is range. This is not downtrend, but rather it's range. Yeah, price action also shows its range. So no trend, no trade. Okay, let me check some other comments now. Vivi says, Pound CAD, there is some obstacles going up in lower time frames. Pound CAD. Lower time frames like 5. Yeah, looks like in the 5 it's going up right now. Yeah, it has been bullish since since here 9:30 UTC today. So yeah, in a very short term it's bullish, but it may be traced back anytime. I don't think higher time frames are bullish. 1 hour is flat into the Kumo now, so it's not a good timing to trade. Alright, thanks for joining everyone. Great to see you. Thanks so much for joining today. Afsal, thanks so much for a comment. Okay. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. Good to hear a performance got 5.8% growth in my account. Alright. Yeah, so make sure you you have the risk management and stop loss management, because that's the core of my strategy. I use Ichimoku, I use price action, I use multiple time frame analysis, and all because to see the risk per trade in the risk management. Yeah, so hopefully you can produce the similar result every month and every year and become a profitable in the long term. Yeah, and when your performance gets worse, then you have to always look back your own trades and look for the area to improve. So yeah, it looks like all the JPY pairs is going down. So yeah, right now Euro JPY is going down, and the USD JPY is about to break the support level, so we have to wait for the break. GJ is going down very nicely, and AUD JPY is going down, but this is also very close to the support, so we have to wait for the breakout. And CADJPY is still going down in 1 hour, and Swiss franc JPY is also going down. It broke the support. So all the JPY pairs are going down. Okay, so okay, I think Eli made a good point. He says not a good idea to trade correlated pairs like CADJPY, Euro JPY together, 2 trades, because if you win, you can get the win on both, but if JPY loses strength, you could lose double your risk. That is exactly right. That is right. So always select one pair to trade at a time. Right. In this case, again, the market's going down because of the strong JPY. Again, the strength chart tells us that the JPY is very strong. So if you depend on the JPY strength and take trade to sell, then if JPY start to reverse, you may lose all the markets, all the positions, which is not really good. In one of the trades, you only risk 1%, 2%, but if you take 3 trades in 3 different pairs, then you may be risking 3 to 6%, which is too much. So yeah, when one of the currencies is strong, then we have to think about the balance in your portfolio of your trades. Yeah. Okay, Sami says if CADJPY retraces before target daily Kijun-sen, you will exit or wait for retracement. Maybe it will continue after retracement to down. It depends on the timing of the retracement. If it retraces above my positions, then I may exit with a very small loss. But if it retraces below my position, then I may not exit because I don't lose still. So yeah, target is not daily Kijun-sen, but let's say the market is going down this way, and if it retraces back like this, then most likely I don't exit. I keep holding until I set the break-even line, or I simply let the market retrace and hit the break-even line. And I get out with the break-even in that case. So, because for me, this is a very small pips. This 20 some pips target to the daily Kijun-sen is very small. Yeah, only like 32 pips or so. So this is very small, and I don't usually exit on the 32 pips or so. Yeah. All right, John says, hi, Kate. How would you address on trading with a high volatile pair such as natural gas? It's typical going up 5%. I don't trade on these markets, so I'm not really sure. Maybe you have to have a bigger stop loss and lower position sizing. Yeah, because I never traded such a big volatile market, so if I were to trade, then what I think is, yeah, just put a big stop loss and lower, I mean exactly the same risk per trade, but lower the position size and take trades. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I will be ending the live in about 5 minutes or so. So let's see. So yeah, market is going retracing now, but I still keep holding in this case. I don't exit yet because the market may be resisted at the previous resistances or support and going down. And since I took the trade on 107.80, I'm not losing it. This is almost break even, so no reason for me to exit yet. Since 1 hour is down still on CADJPY. Okay, yeah. So since 1 hour is still down, I don't exit yet. I still expect the market goes down continuously in this direction. But yeah, one thing for sure is I have to monitor until I set the break-even line. So we will see. This is just my trial. I mean, this is not the trade I usually do, but since I happen to see downtrend in one of the JPY pairs in the live, I take it. And since we are only following 1 hour downtrend, it retraces back very quickly. So this trend may not go down for a long time. But with that mindset, we take that trade and take chance, take opportunities to see if it goes towards our direction. If it doesn't go towards my direction, then I simply exit. So yeah, let's see. Again, Euro pairs are ranging. Only Euro JPY is going down. In 1 hour, Euro CAD is flat, Euro Swiss franc. USD JPY is about to break the support. USD CAD is ranging also. And yeah, USD Swiss franc is ranging. Pound USD broke the support, but Kumo is too small. Chikou span is also touching, so the market may reverse very quickly. Yeah, and JPY is going down. Pound CAD is flat. Pound AUD is flat. Pound Swiss franc is near support, but it's still flat. And too spiky on these lots of wicks. And yeah, looks like the other pairs are basically ranging now. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I think that's it. So today I happened to find a good pair, CADJPY. Sorry, I have to fix the title. CADJPY to trade. I happened to capture the entry chance on 107.80. I took the sell in the live at 2:15 p.m. UTC. My stop loss on 108.19 and target is 107.46, which is the daily Kijun Sen. And now I'm still holding the trade because it's still going down towards my direction. And yeah, 1 hour is still going down, so I'm still keep holding. And target is again on the daily Kijun Sen. When Kijun Sen is flat, market tends to retrace back to Kijun Sen. So that's why the target is very tight, very close, but this is the target, the daily Kijun Sen. So yeah, let's see if it reaches that level or not until FOMC tonight. Okay, so yeah, I think I will end the live for now. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for coming by and stopping by, and say hi to me and everybody. So yeah, and let's see what happens at the FOMC. So tomorrow, around the same time, I will do the live. So yeah, if you can join, that would be great. And if you can subscribe and click the bell button, that would be great, so that you get notified as I do these lives and upload the new videos on my YouTube channel. Always, my intention for this is to help you become a non-losing trader. So hopefully you learn something new on my videos and lives and become a non-losing mindset. Okay, so again, thanks so much, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and see you in the next one. So until then, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, bye for now. Mata ne. Thanks so much.